afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So, do you ever wake up on the wrong side of the bed and you're grumpy for no reason? I have nothing to be grumpy about, and yet I am a grumpy pants today. So, when I get in this kind of weird mood, my anxiety brain says, just drive into town. Just go get something to eat. It'll make you feel better. And, you know, it's a very hard habit to break. But I decided that I was going to just make myself a lunch that I know that I like and get on with my day. So this is going to be quite a high calorie lunch. It always is when I do this. This is my peanut sesame rice noodle bowl. And I'm going to do that. You guys have probably seen me do those before, but I will throw in a picture of what comes in that kit. There's like 7 bags in there. And then today I'm going to add to that, I have some baby oyster mushrooms. I have some seasoned bamboo shoots, some dried wakame seaweed. Then I have some cooked salad shrimp. This is a ZRoll Farms little shrimp snack stick. And I have some bao buns. And so I'm going to steam up one of those. Now, altogether, this comes to almost 1,000 calories, I think. But it is, you know, I have 1580 calories. I already know what I'm going to do for dinner. And so it is well within my range today. And I'm going to do that, put some music on, and hopefully shake this funk within a few hours, because I don't like being grumpy for no reason. All right, I'm going to get this going. I don't really need to do too much. I'll put the noodle kit together. I will steam the buns, and everything else is just kind of adding toppings. All right, so I have the water boiling, and this is what is in the bag. We have rice noodles. This is a scallion oil, some pickled vegetables. These 3 are soup base components, and then there's some dehydrated veggies, mostly like green onion, and there are some peanuts. It also comes with a bag of chili oil, but I don't use that. All right, so that is what is in the bag. And then this is my dried seaweed, and all you do is put that in a bit of water, and that will bloom and rehydrate. Then I have 44 grams of the cooked shrimp and 1 of the bao buns. This is actually defrosted. So when I do them from frozen, I do 15 minutes in the Instant Pot. This one I'm only going to do for, I'm going to try it at 5. I just don't think it's going to take much more than that. But we'll go from there. And then I have the mushrooms and bamboo shoots that I will add on top. All right, everything's done. I just have to put it together. So this is the noodles with the sauce. And then in the water, the boiling water that was left over from that, I just heated the shrimp and 3 of those little mushrooms. Then that's what the seaweed rehydrates to. And then I've just opened my little bamboo shoots. I have pickled vegetables, dried vegetables, and peanuts as toppings that came with the kit. And then that's the little shrimp stick. And the bao bun is finished in the Instant Pot. So that's everything. It's just putting it together. All right, welcome back for dinner. So I didn't finish my noodle bowl from lunch. So I am going to finish that and have another bao bun. And that's going to leave me really under most of my macros and like 400 calories under. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to feel like anything else. But I'm going to have this now. It's going on 7:30, and then we'll see what happens from there. All right, I worked it out. I spoke to Sandy, and she has company coming this week, so I'm not actually going to see her this week. So I had made enough of these Swedish chicken meatballs that I could take down for her, but she said not to come until next week. So I'm actually going to have these, and once I have these, I'll be spot on with all of my macros. So that's fantastic. So I'm just going to put these in the air fryer, cook those a little bit more, heat them up, and then we're all set. And then tomorrow, I decided I wanted to do a take on my local hibachi restaurant. They do a beautiful steak and shrimp hibachi, and I have some zucchini that needs to be used, and I had pulled out some steak. So what I'm going to do, I have two 3.5 ounce cuts. I'm going to cube those up and marinate them overnight in a combination of minced garlic, Italian basil and Romano dressing, and some Simple Truth organic steak sauce. And while I'm doing that, I have some portobello mushroom caps. So these two smaller ones, I'm actually going to cube those up and marinate them in the same mix. And then I'll have that tomorrow all ready to go for lunch. So that is fantastic. All right, so this is all ready to go into the fridge. I have the 2 pieces of steak in one of the portobellos, and I kept 2 slices sort of intact, and then I cubed up the rest of them. So I'm just going to put that in the fridge, and that'll be ready to go tomorrow.